Hello, it's Serpent Trading for another update on Ferrexpo, the iron ore miner. And it's been a few weeks since I've looked at this one. And the last week I looked at was this up week back here. And I did comment that the volume looked really good. And since then, they did announce a dividend, and I've been paid that dividend now, which is what reminded me about looking at this company. So we've had a seller for a couple of weeks, but it's important to remember on TradingView the charts doesn't actually update for ex-dividends. So any dividend amount that's been paid out, it will just adjust as a make a price adjustment, and you won't see it. I'm just wondering, I can't remember what it was actually. If you bear with me, I could actually just quickly look up what the actual dividend was. Is anyone else annoyed with Windows 10? Is it me, or do they try to make it less user friendly? And the dividend was 5p per share. So yeah, so 5p of this is actually the dividend ex-dividend date coming through. But apart from a little close underneath this flag, this week we've come down and tested this price level down here and been quite positively rejected it. So seem to have found a bit more support there. I'm just going to adjust this bottom line of the flag formation. I think it's more appropriate now to just stick it there. I think that looks a bit better. That's the thing about technical analysis. If the line doesn't fit, you make it fit. And it's all a little bit about, it's all in the eye of the beholder, and what we see, what other people see, and where we think the price might bounce from. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see how it's looking on there. And we can see that on the 6th, we had quite a deep down day. On the Tuesday, went down a fair bit, but was rejected by this price level. Just went down, gave it a kiss, and didn't finish particularly strongly on that day. But on the Wednesday, we had a very strong day, and a couple of good, decent days since then as well. Really, when you look at the volume on that Friday, that's just absolutely surpasses anything we've had since then. So if people were really buying heavily here, you have to expect that the price will definitely get back to this level, and we'll see what happens up at that sort of price. I suspect, though, longer term, that we will see another test at this top of this little, what I suspect to be a flag formation. And obviously, I'm and anyone else holding this share will be hoping to get a nice positive break out, and then we can get up and start to look to get to this kind of minimum price level that I set of £3.20. Although I can see us going past that potentially. But one we're going to be keeping an eye on with a price wise, and I'll definitely update you when I see something new happening on this chart. Still no sort of interest in this firm, and Stockopedia still has it as a super stock, and I agree. It is a super stock, pays excellent dividends. I've made quite a bit out of dividends, and still up reasonably in capital gains. So good share, really good share. Enjoying this one, enjoying the ride. So I hope you got something out of that video. Just hit me up on Twitter if you see that in my in the didgeridoo thing down below. Leave a comment, smash the like button, all that other stuff. And my voice is getting dry, so I'm going to end the video now. I'll talk to you in the next one.